Let's talk a little bit about the project boundaries. How are project boundaries established, and of what do they consist? Just as with organizational boundaries, project boundaries also do not appear automatically as the project is formed, nor are they set in stone once and for all. Just as when you create an organization, the boundaries evolve, so also with projects the boundaries evolve. They are socially formed. This is very important to understand. Project boundaries are socially formed, and they have to be continuously defined, sustained, or changed. The boundaries around a project, they define certain activities, they define certain outcome, they include certain people, they include certain costs as part of the project. And the notion of boundary very clearly suggests that some of these are included and some are kept out, some are excluded. So boundaries define whose work and input is relevant for the project, who is responsible, what rules, what norms, what habits will apply. So it is an ongoing interpretive and rhetorical activity. This way of defining project sometimes or perhaps is different from what the typical textbooks define project as, but it's important to have this perspective in mind. What are these boundaries? Let's talk about three types of boundaries. The first is the temporal boundary, the time related boundary. The first thing that needs to be done is to delimit the project temporally, because we have already understood that every project is a temporary solution to meet certain objectives. So they have specific starting date, they have a deadline and a concluding date.